Check it out, Android Auto on the 2016 to 2018 Subaru Forester. We've just installed the Hamilton upgrade kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company in Raleigh, North Carolina, and we sell premium systems that add CarPlay and Android Auto right onto your factory screen for Subaru, Lexus, and Toyota. This system is going to preserve all of your factory features, including your original backup camera, steering wheel controls, and all features of the car, including AM, FM, XM radio, as well as your factory microphone. A quick press of the voice speech button will trigger the Google Voice Assistant. How's the weather in Raleigh, North Carolina?
Currently in Raleigh, it's 94 degrees and partly cloudy. Today, it'll be mostly sunny, with a forecasted high of 95 and a low of 78.
Because we use your original microphone, phone calls, text messages, or talking to Google, it's all a breeze. You can see here that any app that has an Android Auto component will automatically show up here in Android Auto. And with this system, you'll have access to large, beautiful navigation. This is so much better looking than factory navigation, and many folks believe it's much safer as well. The Google Voice Assistant will read your directions.
Head west toward Corporation Parkway.
Whether you use Google Maps, Waze, or any other navigation app, you're going to have easy access to great looking and safe navigation. The same story is true for music. No matter which music app you use, Amazon, Spotify, or another, you'll have easy access to all of your songs and cover art. We have a full installation video on our YouTube channel. We make systems with premium components, and we design them right here in Raleigh, North Carolina. We have some of the best engineers in the world working on our team, and that's how we can back our systems with a 3-year warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee. If you have any questions before, during, or after your purchase, or need help with the installation or setting it up, you can give us a call at 919-858-2890, and you can talk to me or one of my team members. I'll show you now how to pair and set up wireless Android Auto. Of course, we'll have a full installation video also available on the YouTube channel. Let's do it. This is the underlying Hamilton operating system below CarPlay and Android Auto. Go ahead and pull out your Android device, go to Settings, Connections, and then Bluetooth. Locate the new Hamilton device, Bluetooth. Click on it. When the pairing code pops up, click Pair. You'll see Android Auto is starting to load. The first time you use it, you may get a few notifications to approve, allowing contacts, favorites, apps, and things like that. And here it is, wireless Android Auto. We're not done quite yet. I have one very important note. Long holding the voice speech button for 3 seconds will cycle from the original Subaru to the new Hamilton system. You need to make sure that your system is set to aux mode. You also want to come back here to the original Subaru settings, Bluetooth, and delete all factory devices from your factory Bluetooth and turn it off. Delete the factory Subaru Bluetooth from your phone as well. You want your Android phone to stream audio through to the Hamilton upgrade kit only, and the Hamilton upgrade kit will play audio via your aux line. If you have any questions about setting this up, check us out at hamiltonmotorcompany.com, and you can give me a call and talk to me or one of my team members at 919-858-2890. I'll see you in the next video.